we're Plastic at Bay. We're a community interest company based in Durness on the very northwest tip of the Scottish Highlands. We started off as a beach cleaning group, but then we just picked up so much plastic and we're putting it into landfill that we very quickly wanted to come up with solutions for that. So to deal with that, then we decided to make kind of low tech plastic recycling machines, and that's what we're doing at the moment in our lab.
Very simply, there is a lot of plastic washing up here, and it needs to be cleaned. And volunteers and the fact that we're in a really remote and the operations of cleanup can be quite complicated. So 95% of what we collect are fishing related equipment, fish farming related equipment, or shipping equipment. It's very hard because these are ropes and nets which are used in different industries, but they are marine industries waste.
Because we pick up the majority of the plastic that we pick up is fishing ropes and nets, we kind of look to see like why was this a problem and where were they coming from. And when we really researched the area and looked into it, we found that there isn't really like any government scheme or any infrastructure within harbours to take old fishing ropes and nets. We recently did a survey with our local harbour, and they, just from the fishermen surveyed, that they dispose of around 40 tonnes of old fishing gear a year, and that just goes to landfill. So the project we're working on at the moment is with GN upgrading our extrusion machine to make fence posts. We want to move into our local harbour, and from there to start recycling the fishing ropes and nets there.
Is to give power to communities, because this is our journey, is to be able to afford a simple plastic recycling system, to be able that not anybody but someone with a bit of mechanical knowledge and so on, and with our help can develop their own marine recycling system. Because at the moment what happens is that people in Scotland in particular live in areas which could be a bit disconnected from the main waste streams and stuff like that, or if you're on an island, the cost of exporting waste is insane, and then you have all this washing up and you're alone, like it's not yours. There's someone which is at sea or on land which has made money, which generated a lot of waste, and you have to deal with it. And you can't have any reward. I mean, you can't even afford it.